What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we got a 2008 Kia Sportage, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and put in a new one. If it's your first time tuning in, please consider subscribing, shout out, because these type of things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. If you want to be a further supporter, that Patreon link is down in the description. So the first thing that you guys want to actually do is come down here to the bottom. So on the bottom, you'll see that they have like little notches, and the little notches right here are for you to actually put something in to pop up. So we're gonna put that right there in that notch, and then that's gonna give us a whole lot more leeway to get the rest of these clips up. Now you can just really use your hands the rest of the way. Snatch that thing on out of there just like that. Right. And you could go ahead and take out the harnesses if you guys want to. I'm just gonna push it to the side, kind of like this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get my 4 Phillips out. Y'all hit that like button for me doing all this with one hand, by the way. Alright. Now we got that, we just slide it out, put it to the side so we don't touch the we don't touch our dash kit. Take this harness out real quick. All right, y'all, so as you can see, we got that radio out. Now let's go ahead and get over here to the dash kit and get our aftermarket radio prep. All right, guys, so we over here at the test bench about to get this radio prepped up, ready to go. This piece is not a Metro piece. I will pull up the Metro dash kit. This one is actually like American International, but they're pretty much the same. It's gonna come with 3 pieces, and they have these little notches right here, and these notches go in these holes, just like I have over here. So as you can see, we just kind of put them in like that. Go ahead and see if I can do this one with one hand. Put it up, kind of like that. All right. And before we actually slide the radio in, we do need to cut some of these off. So if you look at the factory radio has 2 brackets. I mean, it has 2 little notches for the holes right here, and they're side by side. So we're going to use the front 2. So that means this one and that one. Since they're a little off, we're going to cut these 2 on the back off. We're going to cut that one off right there, and we're going to cut this off too. As you can see, we went on ahead and just cut off all the little brackets, and we slid it over our radio. Now to secure, you take the deck screws that came with the radio and put them in. We're gonna put 2 on the right, 2 on the left. I already have one in place on each side just so you can see how flush it looks. It does look good. Now let's get this thing wired up and back inside the car. So we're back inside the car, and if it's your first time here, you're probably thinking, why didn't I go over the wiring? Well, the reason I do that is because I have over 200 radio removal and install videos, and if I take the time to go over the wiring each video, then that's going to add an extra 5 to 10 minutes per video, and I like to keep things short, sweet, straight to the point. So what I've done is I've made one video showing you how to wire up a radio. That link is in the description. Cards are in the corner, and that gives you a secondary resource. So if the people who know how to wire up a radio just need to learn how to get the radio out, they get what they need. And the people who don't know how to do anything, you get this video and you get a secondary resource. Also, if you're part of our Patreon community, you get links and to the wire diagrams. I actually go over the factory wire colors if you DM me, and you get a chance to win some exclusive car audio stuff like speakers, amps, all that type of stuff once we reach certain goals. So let me go ahead and get this thing pushed back in and show what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, guys, and that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links are in the description. Patreon links are in the description if you want to get that exclusive content and get chances to win free car audio. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out.